Hey, how you guys doing? We have the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max here for a quick unboxing. Just received these maybe a couple minutes ago from UPS. The Pro Max actually officially released today. The Pro released, I think, about 2 weeks ago. This right here is my brother's. This one right here is mine. My brother went ahead and got the Pacific Blue variation of the 12 Pro. So we're gonna go ahead and just do a quick unboxing. There has to be something said about Apple, and really all like the Xbox, PlayStation as well. Those just released this week as well. It's just the unboxing experience. Something has to be said about that. These are they know what they're doing in terms, because unboxing a product is an experience in and out of itself. All right, so here is the iPhone 12 Pro. I'm actually going to grab it with this microfiber cloth I have. Here we go. Inside the box, as you know, you just get the Lightning to USB-C. A lot of people probably don't even have a brick for USB Type-C. I have my old Samsung one because I'm actually recording this on a Galaxy Note 9. It's going to be my first iPhone. But here it goes, and then you get a little bit of instruction manual. Let me go ahead and just remove this. Zingo. Bingo. Look at that. Oh, looking real nice. So this right here is, oh wait, I guess I don't really want to touch it. The iPhone 12 Pro and Pacific Blue. Let me go ahead and put this back in the box. Go ahead and box it back up. There we go. Next is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This one has this 6.7-inch screen in gold. I'm used to the bigger screens. I had a Nexus 6 and Galaxy Note 9. Those are bigger phones, so I'm used to them. Not a big problem. Oh, baby. That looks very, very nice. Very beautiful. It's more gold around the edges. The back's more of a creamy sand color, but regardless, looks very, very nice. Let me just go ahead and pull it out with the cloth once again. Like I said, don't want to get it too dirty. And like I said, the same thing. Don't get the power brick. You do get USB-C to Lightning and a couple of manuals. And bam! Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful phone. Man, that's amazing. One thing I do want to do right before I end this video off, let me just put that right there. And it's sort of a little stupid thing, but apparently, let me just put this to the side. Apparently, the sticker for the iPhone 12 Pro Max is also the biggest sticker. Oh yeah, look at that. The sticker itself is the same size, but the actual canvas it comes on. So there's that. All right, guys, so that's it. Just a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro Max. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a nice day.